Hi everyone, welcome to my art channel. Here I'm going to show you how you can use charcoal with graphite. These are cameline charcoal pencils. There are 3 shades in one pack. The red strip is hard, the yellow is neutral and the blue strip is soft. They have a very good quality with a cheaper price that you can easily buy them. If you are a beginner and don't want to waste your money for just practicing, I'll recommend you these pencils. Even I am working with these pencils from long time. Let me show you all the shade, starting with the hard pencil. And if you want to go with some expensive pencils, then I will recommend you the Derwent, Tombow, Staedtler and also newly launched Brostro woodless charcoal pencils. So there are all 3 shades you can see here. You can easily blend them with any medium. I'm taking blending stump and brushes here for the blending. You can also give a clear highlight to them using any eraser. I'm using kneadable eraser here. You can see. Now coming to the point, as you all know, the graphite shines more while charcoal doesn't shine. Like if I am using graphite on charcoal, you can see how much graphite is shining and is looking so odd. If I'm using charcoal on graphite, then charcoal will not work. If it works, then you can see the charcoal is totally looking black on graphite, which looks also odd. So overall, you can't use charcoal and graphite both on each other or with each other. But there come so many cases in which you have to use them both together. Then what you have to do is use in a proper way. Like if you draw hair with charcoal, then you can use graphite for making tiny hairs at the side of the hairs. If you will use graphite on it, then you can see it's looking so odd. The graphite is totally shining a lot. Here is the sketch in which I used charcoal and graphite. You can see the darkest area. This is done by charcoal, but I didn't use graphite at the same place. And here I did the mistake by using charcoal on graphite. Let me show you. And you can see it's looking odd. This is my another sketch which I done with charcoal and graphite pencils. In this sketch, I did the whole background with the charcoal but didn't use graphite at the same place. The sketch area is totally done with the graphite, but I didn't use charcoal on graphite. So you can see where I'm using charcoal, I'm not using graphite, and where I'm using graphite, I'm not using charcoal on it. So I hope this is a helpful video for all of you. Thank you for watching.